Hi everyone and welcome to today's more important Thursday the 9th of October with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. These European markets have started very strongly and that's come on the back of this dovish lean actually in the Fed meeting minutes that we saw yesterday, though that unexpectedly dovish outlook by the Federal Reserve just gave these markets a big relief rally. The Wall Street was up, actually the biggest one-day gains in 2014 on Wall Street. The S&P 500 up 1.8% on the day. Very strong move there. And also the other big move has been seen against the dollar. Dollar has obviously been very strong recently on the back of the expectation that the Fed was moving towards potential rate hikes. And that has been reversed to a certain extent, certainly. This is the dollar index over the past couple of months. This is the big dollar rally that we've had in those 3 months since the end of June. But now we've had this breakdown, and that's the first time we've broken below a reaction low on the dollar index all throughout that uptrend. So that would suggest that perhaps we're entering to a bit of a correction phase. We're back below that the support of the 21-day moving average, which has basically shadowed that uptrend. So it just looks like now we're entering into potentially for a bit of a dollar correction phase. Exactly how long it lasts remains to be seen, but certainly at the moment the FX majors through the currencies are strengthening against the dollar. Certainly euro, sterling, and the dollar yen are all strengthening against the dollar today. So big moves in the currency markets that we've seen, and some breakouts as well that I'll talk about in a bit. Now, what we've got to look forward to today is the Bank of England monetary policy. That's at noon UK time, 12 o'clock. And the expectation is for no change as per usual, but they are moving towards potential rate hikes. But again, no, there is no change expected there at 12 o'clock. The other factor we've got to look at is the US weekly jobless claims, and that is at 1:30 UK time. Expectation of 294,000. This is on the week. This is the weekly jobless claims absolute. But if I change it to monthly, you will see that 294 is pretty much bang on where the average 4-week move is. So that would be pretty positive still. Below 300,000 is considered positive on weekly jobless claims. So that takes me to my chart of the day, which is silver. As said earlier, that the dollar currency is correcting, and that is certainly benefiting the precious metals. And we've seen the last couple of days, last few days actually, the dollar is weakening, and silver has made a bit of a turnaround. It actually hit an implied target from a big multi-month descending triangle pattern at 16.70. Actually turned around from 1666 with a bullish key one-day reversal, so that has swung this into a bit of a recovery phase. Look at these momentum indicators beginning to turn higher. These stochastics are positive, MACD lines with a positive crossover as well. RSI also unwinding, but still I think that it looks like it's just an unwinding scenario within this downtrend pattern that we've got going here. That downtrend currently comes in around 1820, 1830, which gives certainly room for maybe 4%. Certainly, yeah, I mean that would be about a 4% rally within this downtrend. 1860 is the key resistance. That is series of lows that got broken to the downside, and that is the key resistance. So there is still room for a recovery within this downtrend, but how long that the rebound goes on for remains to be seen. But certainly the outlook is turning positive. On the intraday chart, you'll see this resistance at 1761 is the initial resistance from that high on Tuesday. And if we break above there, you'll probably see a quite quick move back towards, I think, $18, which is that reaction high there, and then towards 1830, which again is pretty much where that downtrend comes in at the moment. So some levels for you to work for, but certainly the improvement is being seen in silver and both gold as well. But you got your support basically now coming in around about that 17 big figure. So I wish you good luck in your trading on silver today. It certainly looks like the dollar is weakening, so that should benefit silver. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.